Welcome to Midwest Telecom Communications NEC SV9100 phone training. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make a conference call. While on a call, you will hit the conference soft key. You will then dial 9 plus the phone number or enter in their extension number.
Hello, this is Amy.
Once they've answered the call, you will hit the Add soft key. You will then hit the Begin soft key to begin the conference call. You have now completed a conference call. For more information regarding the following training videos, please visit our website at www.midwesttel.com or call us at 812-421-0111.